Hello YouTube, welcome to Series Log, and in today's episode we are going to review Furinno Turn-N-Tube No Tools 3D 3-tier Entertainment TV Stand, uh, which I just got delivered by UPS over here. So I'm going to assemble that and I will uh, give you the overall product review instantly. So before jumping into that, let's take a look at the features of this TV stand. So this TV stand can support 55-inch of TV. 55-inch flat screen TV, obviously, but it's a simple, stylish design yet functional and suitable for any room. I purchased it from Amazon and I will drop a link down below in the description. This video is not sponsored. So material used over here is 50 mm composite wood with PU lamination, 34 mm plastic pole. Fits in your space, fits on your budget, sturdy on a flat surface, 10 minutes, no tools, no hassle assembly. Well, that's good. And it says like it holds up to 55-inch of flat screen TV, as I said earlier. And it can hold, and there is a weight limit, it can hold like 60 pounds of weight. And product dimensions are, the price of this table over here, it's $34.28. Without any further ado, let's start unboxing and assembling the table. So after final assembly, it looks like this. So this TV is 32-inch, so you can see, like, leave no space on the both side of the TV, but enough space so that you can keep something like a sound bar or something. Even if you want to place a sound bar, you can keep it over here on the on the second rack. Or even if you want to play, even if you want to put PlayStation or Xbox, you can keep it over here, discs over here, or something like a decorative piece over here to make it more beautiful. So overall it looks like this. Now the one thing about this wood is it does not have its own shine or something like that that you can get with like most expensive pieces of furniture. But you can purchase a varnish or something like that and put a coat on top of it. It will obviously improve the life of this table, as well as give it a nice smooth shiny finish that make it look more expensive. So you can do that modification. So that being said, I would recommend you to buy it. If you're really looking for a cheap option to buy a TV stand, then you can obviously buy it. So yep, thumbs up from me. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, dislike the video or let me know what you think about this video. Till then, bye bye.